Welcome to this Nedbank Financial Market educational series, proudly brought to you by our online share trading division. In this educational series, we will discuss various topics relating to financial markets. Learning about trading and investing is essential for every client, as this will equip you to make more informed personal trading and investing decisions. In this session, we will discuss how to get started. We will cover applying for an online account and what features you can expect to find on the trading platform. Please note that this session is for both beginner and intermediate level traders. Before we start, please refer to our disclaimer. In summary, you cannot regard this session as any trading or investment advice, as this information is provided for educational purposes only. Let us commence this session. To apply for a trading account, please go to our secure website onlinesharetrading.nedbank.co.za. The S after the HTTP in this address indicates that this is a secure site and you will be required to log in to access the full functionality of the site. In order to log in, you will need to create an account. You can, however, find a lot of information on this pre-login page. For example, by clicking on the Market Outlook, you will be able to see an overview of what the market is doing, as well as market news and information on key indicators and gainers and losers. You can also create a trial account. The trial account is free and will allow you limited access to the secure area of the site for 30 days. You will be able to access market data and create watch lists, but please note you will not be able to trade with a trial account. Before deciding to open an account, please take the time to familiarize yourself with our products and the various fees that will apply. These details can be found by clicking on the Our Offering tab. It is also important for you to review the terms and conditions applicable to our trading accounts. The link to these can be found at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions about the terms and conditions or any of the fees, please click on the book next to the login button. This will take you to our Learning Center, where you will find answers to a number of frequently asked questions which may assist you. Alternatively, you can call our help desk or send us an email. These contact details can be found by clicking on the phone icon. If all your questions have been answered and you are happy with the terms and conditions that will apply, you can either click on the Apply button at the top of the screen or on the Apply for an Account link in the body of the page. Now that you have decided to open an account, it is important to know what type of account you require. The process that an individual investor needs to follow will be slightly different to the process of someone applying on behalf of a company. Also, if you're already a client of our stockbroking entity and are applying for a second account, the process you need to follow will differ from that of a new client. To avoid delays, please ensure you follow the prompts that apply to your unique situation. The online application process will only take about 10 minutes. You can save the process at any point and come back to complete it at any time. A Nedbank ID is required for all Nedbank accounts. If you don't already have one, you will need to create one. To open an account as an individual, you need to be over 18 years of age, be in possession of either a valid South African identity document or a passport, and have a bank account in your own name. Once the online application process is completed, you will be asked to supply additional documentation for FICA purposes. The account opening process will only be completed once the FICA documentation is received. So what is a Nedbank ID? Nedbank ID is a single log-on that can be used for multiple Nedbank products and services. You can either use your existing Nedbank ID, or if you don't already have one, you can create a Nedbank ID during the online application process. It provides an easy and secure login and a more integrated view of your accounts when you interact with us digitally. All Nedbank clients have a unique Nedbank ID. It isn't just easy to use, it ensures a safer digital environment by using Approve-It technology. The Nedbank ID is used across all the Nedbank platforms. If you don't have a Nedbank ID, click on the Register Here link in the application process to register for one. If you click on the Register Here link, you'll be redirected to the Nedbank ID creation site. You will need to enter your ID number and your cell phone number. Once you click on the Next button, an Approve It message will be sent to your cell phone. You will have 60 seconds to accept this message. To log in for the first time, go to the onlinesharetrading.nedbank.co.za secure site. Enter the username you created with your Nedbank ID and enter your Nedbank ID password. An Approve It message will be sent to your cell phone. You will need to accept the message in order to access the site. As soon as your account is activated, you will receive a welcome email. This email will contain your unique BDA account number. Please make note of your BDA number as you will need this number to open your account statements. Once you have logged in, go to the Payments section of the site to obtain our banking details. The final step before you can trade is to fund your account. You can deposit money into your online share trading account using online banking. Our banking details can be found on the secure site under Payments, Depositing Funds. Please use your BDA account number as the reference number. This will ensure that the money is deposited into your online share trading account timeously. It can take between 24 to 48 hours before deposited funds reflect in your trading account. You will not be able to trade if there are no funds in your account. Once your account is funded, your dashboard will update to reflect the available funds for trading. At this stage, it will be possible for you to link any other trading accounts that you might have to your profile. This concludes the first of our Getting Started videos. Over the next few weeks, we will walk you through other screens and functionality on the website that will assist you to start trading. These will include navigating the platform, setting up a watch list, detailed company information, and how to trade.